The 5-in-1 DIY drone building set provides a captivating and educational experience for children, introducing them to the fascinating world of drone technology and STEM learning. With 159 pieces that are easy to assemble, this set encourages creativity and imagination as kids build drones in multiple styles and vibrant colors. Designed with user-friendly features such as altitude hold and headless mode, this drone is perfect for beginners, ensuring an easy and enjoyable flying experience. The drone's ability to perform 3D flips and adjust speed in 3 modes adds a layer of fun, making it suitable for both novices and more experienced users. Constructed from durable and non-toxic ABS plastic, this set guarantees safety and quality, with propeller guards in place to protect both the drone and young users. This drone building set is an excellent gift choice for various occasions, offering children the excitement of constructing and flying their very own drone.